welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana, and if you're a girl watching this video, you need to watch it till end because we are talking about must-have essentials in your wardrobe so that you can create a wardrobe of your dreams without spending a lot of money. Okay guys, when I say must-have wardrobe essentials, I don't really mean that these are the only items you should have. You can definitely have whatever you want, but I think these items are must-have items because अगर आपके wardrobe में ये हैं, you can create multiple looks with these items and it gives you a very textured look, I would say, a very polished look. अगर आप इन items को अपने wardrobe में रखोगे and they are so versatile that you don't really need to spend a lot of money कि मैं ये भी ले लूँ, ये भी ले लूँ, ये भी ले लूँ, because these essentials can be styled in a lot of ways. So without further ado, let's get into the video and I'll show you along what all I have. The first wardrobe essential that I can suggest to any girl is having a good white shirt. Now investing in a white shirt is always great option. It's classic and mine is from H&M and it's really wore out at the moment, so it's not ironed also. But yeah, you get it. A must-have is this first item, a white shirt. Now, white shirt is a very classic item and I think in every wardrobe you should have it because it can be styled in so many ways. अगर आप normal college going girl हो, you should definitely have it. Even if you're a working professional, I think a white shirt adds so much grace to your wardrobe. Plus, with a skirt, a pant, it can be styled with anything, literally. So this is the first must-have that I can suggest to any girl. So please invest in a white shirt, guys. It's high time if you don't have it already. The next item that I can suggest to any girl, actually, I have two similar items that are different colors. So you get it that it's really important is having a basic white and black top. Full sleeves, half sleeves, whatever you want. I have in full sleeves, so I'm gonna show you that. I have one in white, you can see, full sleeves, and I have one in black, you can see again, full sleeves. Now investing in these are important because whenever you want to layer something, these comes really handy and they can even be paired as a blouse, or if you are just pairing it, layering it with a lot of things, these are very essential to the wardrobe. Even if you're not layering it with like clothes, you can just add a lot of accessories and just instantly enhance the whole look. So these come really handy, and the second item are these basic essentials that you should definitely invest in. The third item is a denim jacket, and a denim jacket is a very classic item that I think should be in every wardrobe. Mine is again worn out because I wear it all the time. So why I really like denim jackets, especially as an Indian girl, is because even if you're wearing something that you're not comfortable to go in open, you can always wear a denim jacket upon it and go. Now you would relate to it if you have done that, and I'm pretty sure all of us have done that at some point of time. So yes, a denim jacket plus अगर look बहुत simple है, आप एक denim jacket add करके उसको पूरा ऐसे glam up कर सकते हो instantly, and yeah, it really looks well if you even layer it with a lot of items. With the coming season, fall and winters, ये तो एक staple ही बन जाता है wardrobe में, so don't forget to invest in a denim jacket. The next item that we have is a LBD, little black dress. Now the little black dress concept has been there for years, and I think investing in a good black dress is important because whatever the event is, whether it's a party, it's just a get together or it's a formal event, this black dress comes so handy. It can be paired with so many things. अगर आप किसी formal event पे जा रहे हो, just wear it with a white shirt. जो मैंने first item दिखाया था, again an essential. And अगर आप किसी party में जा रहे हो, just pair it with good accessories. अगर आप एक casual look रखना चाहते हो, just pair it with a denim jacket. So you see how handy this comes. Plus I think अगर formal events हैं या फिर किसी अच्छी सी party में जाना है, it can instantly make you look very sexy and very hot. So investing in a good black dress becomes very important. So don't forget to invest in the LBD. The next item I have, I think we all have it already, but I'm still gonna mention it. If you don't have it, invest in it now. Is having a good pair of jeans. Now I am showing you wide leg jeans because ये recently trend में है. Plus I think wide leg jeans जो है body को ज़्यादा अच्छा posture देती है. Plus skinny jeans becomes a little uncomfortable at times. So it's way more comfortable having a wide leg jeans. Now investing in a good jeans becomes essential because I think considering the society we live in, Indian girls mostly prefer jeans when they go out. So why not invest in something like that? अगर वो आपको पता है कि you have to wear it often, so invest in a good jeans like this, and you can see how mine looks. Plus, I feel investing in a good jeans goes a long way because again, a very classic, versatile piece. हर चीज़ के साथ पहन सकते हो, t-shirts, crop tops, shirts, anything, oversized t-shirts and wide leg jeans, a combo that can never fail. So yes, an essential item that becomes very important to have in your wardrobe. Next item that we have is a pair of shorts. Now, for people who wear conservative clothes, I understand that wearing small shorts wouldn't be possible, but you can always go for those knee-length shorts. वो भी काफ़ी trend में हैं, and it's not only about trend. I think these kind of pieces, even Princess Diana used to wear something like that. So these kinds of pieces are something that just stay forever. And आएगा जाएगा, but these wardrobe essentials are gonna stay. So yes, the sixth item is a denim shorts, and yeah, I think for summers it's just perfect. And if you are someone who is comfortable with this length of shorts, definitely invest in a good shorts because yeah, it goes a long way. And what's more comfortable than a good pair of shorts in summers? The next clothing item, which is the seventh item that I have, is a pair of joggers. Now, I know that all of us are literally living in our PJs and joggers since quarantine hit us. And I'm really glad about it because there is nothing as comfortable as a pair of joggers. So investing in a good joggers become essential, and I would say preferably invest in a white or a black one because it's again versatile and goes with everything. So invest in a black or white jogger. I have a black one and I literally wear it every time when I'm traveling या फिर मुझे कहीं ऐसे normal chill करना है कुछ भी. Plus, if you are not in a mood to wear jeans and with the coming weather, this becomes very important. So yes, this is the next item that you should definitely invest in. Those were the clothing bits. Now moving away from clothing bits, there are also items that are essential to your wardrobe that you should invest in, and we are coming to accessories first. Now I know a lot of us don't really like wearing a lot of accessories, but there are certain things you can definitely invest in, and the first item is having a good pair of watch. Now I know when the look is very simple and you're not someone who likes wearing a lot of jewelry, this is one item that really instantly enhances the whole look. Look ऐसे completely balanced सा लगता है. So invest in a good watch and hoops. Even if you don't like wearing necklaces or heavy earrings or anything, invest in a good pair of hoops. You can see I always wear like different hoops for all my videos, and I think मेरा top बहुत simple है अभी. मतलब it's just printed top, basic top, but I think just adding a piece of hoop really gives that look, you know, जो instantly ऐसे अच्छा लगने लगेगा. So yes, invest in a good pair of watch and hoops to just complete the whole look when the look is very simple. Wardrobe essential again. Since we are talking about accessories, there's another wardrobe essential that you should definitely have in accessories, and that's a good handbag. Now it can be anything. I would say go for a black one, but it can be in any form of handbag. It can be a bag bit, it can be a tote, it can be a sling, any form. But just have a good bag. अगर आप कहीं पे भी जा रहे हो, the look is very simple, basic. Just pair it up and you're good to go. So yes, this is the second last item that I would say to invest in a good handbag. The last item, which is a wardrobe essential and which I would say कि अगर आप एक लड़की हो, you should definitely have it because it's actually two items, but I've clubbed it into one because it's essential and they're footwears. Now these are the two kind of footwears that I will definitely suggest you to own because they're versatile, it goes with everything and anything. So yes, the first item is a good pair of black heels. The length can be of your choice, but I would say ideally go for at least 2.5 inches so that thoda sa length lage. Mine is really long, I have like 4 inches heel. But you can go as per your own choice, convenience and whatever you feel most comfortable in. I think more than whatever clothes or accessories or footwear you have, a good wardrobe becomes more important when you are comfortable in what you're wearing. So yes, invest in something like this. A good pair of heels goes a long way, whether it's with Indian या फिर आपको कहीं ऐसे party event में जाना है. Always heels gonna come handy all the time. So yes, length बहुत ज़्यादा रखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है if you're not comfortable. 2.5 is decent that you can walk in. So invest in a good heels. And last item from the footwear section, which is also the part of the 10th item, the most essential item, is having a white pair of shoes. Now I think white pair of shoes became really trendy 2-3 years back, and I don't see them going out anywhere. Plus, even if they are not in trend, white shoes goes with literally anything. So please invest in a good pair of shoes. They're always gonna come handy, and yeah, perfect for traveling every day and parties also. I often wear my little black dress with these and it looks great. So yes. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and I think these are the items that you should add in your wardrobe. If you don't have any, it's high time you create a budget wardrobe where you can just utilize the pieces again and again. It's very cost effective also. So yes, I hope it was helpful, and if you did like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. Until next video, bye, take care.